Good morning, students. Let's continue with the same chapter. This is the last class related to this chapter, comprehension. Clear? Previous class we have discussed till 4 points. Then comes to the fifth point. Pen them down. Pen them down one by one. Clear? Sixth point. Check your answers for spellings and punctuations. 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 Clear? In addition to the thematic thematic content. In addition to the thematic content. Clear? Now 7 point was write grammatically correct language. Write grammatically correct language. Be precise and up to the point. Okay. Be precise and up to the point. Now, the most important point is important note. Clear? Do not copy the language of the passage. Clear? Now let me explain this. We have gone through all the points. Our fifth point was pen them down one by one. Beforehand, you have gone to the point. Now concentrate on each question very carefully. Read the areas in which the answer is located or discussed. After that, location and discussion, you need to pen them down one by one, means write them down one by one. Answer number 1, 2, 3, 4. Simultaneously write them one by one. Clear? This is known as pen them down one by one. Point number 6. Check your answers for spellings. After writing your answers, check your answers for spellings. Check the spellings and punctuations. Under punctuations, your full stop, commas, inverted commas, and all these things comes under punctuation marks. In addition to the thematic content. Now, what do you mean by thematic? Thematic word कहाँ से आया? Theme से आया. Thematic, right? So before on the starting class, I have told you two words. Theme. Theme was the word. Theme or the topic, right? So this is thematic content. थीमेटिक कंटेंट मीन्स एग्जैक्टली जो क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछा गया है अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन ही आप आंसर करें. ये नहीं कि आप स्टोरी बना के लिख दिया एंड ऑल. दिस इज नॉट कम्स अंडर योर आंसर पार्ट. तो एग्जैक्टली द क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड उसी के अकॉर्डिंगली आप आंसर करेंगे. एंड द थीम, द इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट you need to answer the question. Clear? So check your answers for spellings आप check करें अपने answers का. Simultaneously आप punctuation marks भी check करें, your inverted commas, full stops and brackets and all everything. And in addition to the thematic content, जो accordingly question पूछा गया है accordingly आपने answer किया है कि नहीं, that content should be in a proper way, in a proper format, in a proper way you need to answer the questions. Clear? Do not make stories and also try to answer exactly up to the point, up to the thematic content you need to answer your questions. Point number 7, write grammatically. This is also most important. Your grammar mistake shouldn't be there. राइट ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट लैंग्वेज. ग्रामेटिकली लैंग्वेज आपकी बिल्कुल करेक्ट होनी चाहिए. ग्रामर मिस्टेक्स नहीं होनी चाहिए आपके आंसर्स में. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज बी प्रिसाइज एंड अप टू द पॉइंट. प्रिसाइज मीन्स फॉर शॉर्ट. बी शॉर्ट एंड अप टू द पॉइंट. आपके आंसर्स वेरी शॉर्ट होनी चाहिए एंड अप टू द पॉइंट होना चाहिए. अकॉर्डिंगली जिस तरह से क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है आप उसी हिसाब से आप आंसर करोगे. राइट? Now the most important note is, most important point after going through all the chapters, this chapter, the most conclusion point of this chapter is do not copy the language of the passage. आपको मैंने बताया 90% स्टूडेंट्स पैसेज से कॉपी डाउन कर लेते हैं, उसके लैंग्वेज को, उनके पॉइंट्स को एंड उनके लाइंस को. आपको स्ट्रिक्टली ये मेंशन किया गया है, do not copy the language of the passage. When you will copy the language of the passage, teachers are requested to give 0 marks to the students who have straightforward copied it from the passage. Clear? So do not copy the language of the passage. आपको copy नहीं करना है. You need to write it in your own words. Clear? So this is the most important instruction, most important point you need to remember before solving this chapter comprehension. Do not copy the language. The same language shouldn't be copied from the passage to the answer. Do not copy the language of the passage. Okay, this chapter is over, students. We'll move to the next class and to the next chapter. Thank you all.